Yeah, I'll send you a link to this build thread.
All right, let me get this thing going.
Yeah, man.
I'm being brave.
With a name like Starfighter, how can you?
Well, yeah, it would always shoot to the stars, man. I gotta stay away from the sun though, because I don't have my glasses.
One of the bossest names for airplane.
And it deserved it, because it would shoot to the stars like crazy.
The one incomparable is Spitfire.
Yep.
Timer cleared.
All right, take it off.
Gear up.
Look at that burner!
That's right, baby.
This doesn't have a hub ego, right?
No, it's got the stock Sebart. I don't like it either.
Alright, I'm gonna take my time.
Okay. Come on in.
Well, that butthole light is really helpful.
Oh, the butthole light. Yeah, it's my version of an afterburner.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, it does look kind of good.
And the nav lights too.
Yeah, that comes with it. I added the afterburner. All the other stuff comes with it. It actually, there is an afterburner too, but it's not orange. So it's more of a red color, which looks kind of goofy. But the ones I remember seeing had a bright orange flame coming out the rear.
Yeah. I guess they didn't turn very well, huh?
They did.
Did they?
For what they, they were meant as an interceptor. So they'd start out low altitude and climb, and then go after whatever. They weren't bad up to speed, but there are planes that could outturn them, but they didn't. They turned better than you'd think.
But nobody could outrun them, huh?
Very few at the time. But there was no computer help with these things. They all were seat of the pants.
Yeah, you didn't want to slow them down, did you?
Nope.
30 seconds.
With the sun catching the wing, that was great.
Yeah. All right, time to set up to land.
Gear down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
I can't see those other guys. Can you see if
2,
are they still out there?
Time
No one's
expired.
Okay.
Landing
The runway
flaps.
is yours.
Okay.
The sky is yours.
Right at the sun. There we go. I like that.
Awesome.
Flaps up.
Whew. It always takes my breath away when I fly this thing. But I love to fly it, so.
Is this one of those planes where you do something like bank and then go downwind, you can drop it out of the sky?
Yeah, if you're not careful. Because what the gyro mainly does in this plane is stop it from rolling. Because when you roll with no gyro, it'll just keep going. You've got to stop it. So the gyro will stop it. And then it helps keep it stable too, but most of it is just keeping it from over-rotating. Because it takes like a half a roll to stop when you stop rolling. So,
This model is actually a pretty good representation.
it is, but it's actually, the wings were smaller.
Yeah.
Thinner and shorter and more anhedral on the real one. So
Maybe even further back a little bit.
I think so. Yeah, they're a little off, and these are actually the cord is bigger than what they really were. They're actually smaller than that.
Yeah, but you know, it's recognizable.
Yeah, it looks like one.
I mean, 20 years ago, if you got this model to fly, people would just think you're
Yeah.
one lot.
Right. And there are people that fly it without a gyro, but I'm not one of them. It has to have the gyro on. Yep. Oh yeah, he's the only one. Yeah, I know him. Yeah.
Because they're so short coupled.
Right. I think he uses a lemon RX in his.
Well, yeah, that, and he's a really good builder.
He's a good builder.
So
he builds it straight.
his planes are perfectly straight.
Yeah, always.
And the wing angles are
1
perfect.
minute.